What if your parked car could become your next business headquarters? You don't need a storefront or a huge investment to start earning. With the right skills and a little hustle, your vehicle can become a money-making machine. Here are 11 mobile services you can start offering right from your car. 1. Mobile car detailing. Wash, wax, and vacuum vehicles at customers' homes or offices. 2. Windshield repair. Fix small chips before they turn into expensive cracks. 3. Battery jump starts and replacement. A lifesaver for stranded drivers. 4. Mobile oil changes. Save customers a trip to the repair shop. 5. Pet grooming visits. Offer basic grooming services at clients' homes with portable equipment. 6. Phone and laptop setup. Help customers transfer data, install software, and troubleshoot devices. 7. Mobile notary services. Travel to clients who need important documents notarized. 8. Pressure washing. Clean driveways, patios, fences, and outdoor furniture using portable equipment. 9. Furniture assembly. Assemble desks, shelves, and other flat-pack furniture on site. 10. Junk removal. Pick up unwanted household items and dispose of or recycle them responsibly. 11. Grocery and prescription delivery. Provide reliable local delivery for busy families, seniors, and people with limited mobility. The secret isn't choosing the perfect idea, it's starting with one service, delivering outstanding customer service, collecting 5-star reviews, and expanding as demand grows. Many successful entrepreneurs started with nothing more than a reliable car and determination. Which of these businesses would you start today? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you're serious about building multiple income streams, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more business ideas that can help you earn smarter.